Guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Here are some beautiful most popular handbags ideas. Crochet pattern and different style, different pattern. Are you looking for information on types of handbags and shopping recommendation and or something else related to handbags? Here are some ideas related to handbags. And create a system for organizing your handbags to keep it today and beautiful ideas, affecting and beautiful looks. You can use pouches, mini organizer or dividers. Give your old handbags a fresh look by adding beautiful ideas, patches or new straps. It's a fun way to personalize them. Latest and most beautiful ideas. Handbags collection display. If you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them creatively in your home, like on a dedicated shelf or hooks on the wall. So I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video. It's a trend in handbags and colors and material, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. So please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Take care. Bye bye. See you.